So today we're going to take a look at how you can change your voice input, basically your microphone, on Discord from your, let's say using a laptop, it's just picking up your normal laptop one, but you've got a different microphone you want to actually plug in. So all you want to do is when you've opened up Discord like this, you just want to go to your user settings, which is typically down at the bottom next to your profile name. Click that. Then once we're in here, all you want to do is scroll down to app settings, so you'll see here on the left hand side, and you want to go to voice and video. So once we're in voice and video, all you want to do is click input device, which will be your microphone, and you just want to change it to your different microphone. So as you can see here, we've got the MacBook Pro's webcam microphone, or we can use the microphone that we are using now. So all you do is just select the drop down and select which one you want. Same for your output device. Maybe you're using like AirPods or something when you're streaming, or on a Discord call, and you just want to hear the audio through them. You can simply just select it from there as well. So once you're done, just click escape. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe.